Brave driver managed to evade armed robbers.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A video currently making the rounds on social media shows the failed attempt of two gunmen to hold up and rob a very alert and brave driver. The incident reportedly took place along a very poorly lit section of the Arts Delight Road in the Kingston 7 area on Thursday the 27th of August. In the very short clip, which was recorded approximately 9:16 p.m, a driver can be seen passing an abandoned vehicle when a hoodie-wearing man armed with a gun emerged from an exit road and pointed the gun at the occupants of the vehicle, which by now had slowed down considerably. A few seconds later, another man, also sporting a hoodie with his face masked, emerged from the shadows. Both men with guns in hand hastily walks up to the vehicle. However, by this time, the driver had assessed the situation and the vehicle was now in full motion again, and the quick-thinking driver sped away. As the driver drove off, a bright flash was captured by the dashcam, accompanied by a loud explosion as the gunmen opened fire at the vehicle. It is unclear how many people were on board or if any injuries were sustained.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!